Congratulations on successfully completing your eye surgery. I'm Dr. Charu, Tandon, anterior segment consultant at ICARE Eye Hospital. To ensure smooth recovery and optimal results, please following post-operative care instructions carefully. Avoid water exposure. Refrain from taking a head bath for 7 days to prevent water from getting into the eye. However, you can take a normal bath from neck downwards. For cleaning the eye, make sure you use sterile eye wipes, but be gentle and do not press the eye in any way. Resist rubbing your eye or putting any pressure on the eye. Let the eye heal naturally. Feel free to enjoy your regular meals every day. There are no dietary restrictions from our side. However, if there are any dietary restrictions suggested to you by your physician, please continue to follow them. There are no restrictions on watching TV, so relax and enjoy all your favorite shows. Hand hygiene is extremely important. Please wash your hand thoroughly or use a disinfectant before you touch your eye. When applying eye drops, pull your lower lid gently. Put one drop between the space between the eyelid and the eyeball. In case you're using more than one eye drop, make sure you wait for at least 5 minutes before instilling the next one. By following these instructions, you'll ensure a smooth recovery. If you have any concerns, don't hesitate to contact your doctor. Take care of your eyes and get well soon.